a room that we could use, but there aren't many options for moving all the furniture. Some of it can move, like the round tables could move, and some of the chairs, they could all be put on that balcony. But as you can see, it's quite full. But you could, when you move some of these chairs, have space for people to put down some mats. And I would imagine it's about a 7-meter by 4-meter space. Okay, but as I said, this wasn't the one I meant because it's quite full. So people could start the lesson off here. This is a little side study room. And then at certain times after the morning, they could come onto this balcony, which is the one that we said would require a little bit of management because it's a quiet neighborhood. I don't think there'll be a lot of noise here. It's very inspiring and beautiful space. It has a little aura shower in the corner. And it has this section that's covered in the shade with a little pergola, but it only gets shaded after 12. This lady is willing to give it to us for €200 for both days. There's tea and coffee station and lots of place for people to hang out and just relax and have a little quiet time or chat or whatever without disturbing the group, maybe over lunch or whatever. So this is available, and I suggested it because it's quite peaceful and it's a special space run by a special friend of mine. And you can see here a little kitchenette with coffees and teas, and that would be available for us with water and everything else, and people could bring their own lunch, and that's that. So that's the option for €200. Just looking at that room again, this would be where we would maybe have to start the class. People could sit for the first while, and then if they're going to lie down, they could be going outside, or we could use the outside space.